What if you could build an affiliate business without creating content, building websites, or spending hours running complicated marketing? That's exactly what Commission Machine AI claims to do. But does it actually work? In this review, I'll show you exactly what it does, who's it for, and whether it's really worth buying. So let's get started. More traffic doesn't automatically mean more money. Traffic is important, but traffic alone doesn't generate commissions. You can get thousands of clicks, views, or visitors, but if those people don't convert into buyers, you won't make money. In affiliate marketing, the real success comes from what happens after someone clicks. That's why focusing on conversions is just as important, if not more important, than simply getting more traffic. Traffic gets people through the door, but conversion is what gets you paid. In simple words, getting traffic is the only first step. Bringing people to an offer doesn't guarantee you'll make money. What really matters is convincing those visitors to stay interested and take action. If your page or offer builds trust, creates desire, and gives people a good reason to buy, you'll earn more commissions. That's why someone with fewer visitors can often make more money than someone with a lot of traffic because they convert a higher percentage of those visitors into customers. This is exactly the problem the creators say their tool is designed to solve. Commission Machine AI is designed to help you get more value from the traffic you already have. Instead of just sending visitors directly to an affiliate offer and hoping they buy, it aims to improve the chances of those visitors becoming customers. The idea is that you don't need massive amounts of traffic to benefit, whether you have 10 visitors or 10,000 visitors. The goal is to make every click more likely to result in a commission. Beginners are told how to get clicks, but very few are shown what to do with those clicks next. Most beginners are taught how to get traffic, but not how to convert that traffic into sales. They simply send visitors to an affiliate link and hope someone buys. Experienced affiliate marketers take a different approach. They use proven strategies to build interest and increase the chances of a purchase before sending people to the final offer. According to the creators, Commission Machine AI helps beginners use those same conversion techniques without needing years of marketing experience. There is a huge difference between generating traffic and monetizing traffic. You can have traffic coming from YouTube, email, social media, blogs, or even paid ads, but none of that guarantees you'll make money. Traffic is just an opportunity. You'll only earn commissions when those visitors actually take action and buy the product. That's why converting your traffic is more important than simply getting more of it. The real question isn't how much traffic you have, it's how much money that traffic is making you. Instead of focusing only on getting more visitors, it's often smarter to improve how well your existing traffic converts into buyers. When more of your content visitors make a purchase, the same amount of traffic becomes much more profitable. What changed when we focused on conversions instead of just traffic? We've been doing affiliate marketing for many years and we've learned a lot through trial and error. At first, we did what most affiliates do. We sent people directly to affiliate offers and hoped the sales page would make the sale. But later, we started using strategies to improve conversions before people reached the offer. That's when we began seeing much better results and higher commissions. This is where things get interesting. You don't always need thousands of visitors to make more money. Instead, you need to do a better job of turning the visitors you already have into buyers. For example, if you get 50 visitors a day, don't just think about getting 500. First, ask yourself if you're making the most of those 50 visitors. If your current traffic isn't converting, getting more traffic may just lead to more mislead opportunities. Commission Machine AI doesn't replace your traffic, it aims to help you get more sales from the traffic you already have. No conversion skills needed. Learning how to improve conversions can take a lot of time, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing. Commission Machine AI makes the process much easier. You simply tell the AI which product you're promoting, and it helps apply proven conversion strategies automatically. The goal is to save time, keep things beginner friendly, and help turn more of your existing traffic into affiliate commissions. For brand new affiliates, if you're just starting out, you don't need thousands of visitors. Even a small amount of traffic can help you learn, improve your conversions, and start making your first affiliate commissions. Commission Machine AI is designed to help beginners make better use of the traffic they already have. For struggling affiliates, if you're already getting clicks but not making many sales, the problem may not be your traffic, it could be your conversions. Commission Machine AI is designed to help you improve how well your existing traffic converts into affiliate commissions. For active affiliates, if you're already earning affiliate commissions, the next step is to get more value from your existing traffic. Commission Machine AI is designed to help improve conversions so you can potentially earn more from the same visitors. For experienced marketers, if you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while, you already know that getting more traffic isn't always the answer. Improving your conversion rate can increase your earnings without needing more visitors. Commission Machine AI is designed to help maximize the value of the traffic you already have. What took us years to figure out, you can start using today. One of the biggest benefits is that you don't have to spend years learning through trial and error. They've already tested different traffic sources, promoted many affiliate offers, and learned what helps increase conversions. Commission Machine AI is designed to put those lessons into an easy to use system so beginners can start applying proven conversion strategies without needing years of experience. Buy Commission Machine AI today and get 3 free bonuses worth $594. Bonus number 1, Bullet Cash System. This bonus is designed to show you a simple affiliate marketing strategy that helps you generate traffic and increase your chances of earning commissions faster. Bonus number 2, Super Affiliate Formula. This bonus provides additional training and strategies to help you improve your affiliate marketing skills and increase your chances of generating more commissions. Bonus number 3, $2,100 case study using free traffic. This bonus includes a real-world case study showing how free traffic was used to generate affiliate commissions, giving you practical ideas you can apply to your own campaigns. Commission Machine AI offers an interesting approach to affiliate marketing by focusing on improving conversions instead of just chasing more traffic. If the tool performs as demonstrated, it could help beginners and experienced affiliate marketers make better use of the visitors they already have. If you're looking for a beginner friendly tool to help maximize the value of your existing traffic, Commission Machine AI is worth considering. If you're interested in picking up Commission Machine AI, make sure you use the first link in the description because that's the link to my bonus page. When you purchase through my link, you'll receive all of my exclusive bonuses at no extra cost, which are designed to help you get better results with the software. And if you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI software reviews, launch discounts, and exclusive bonus offers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.